I am Vadini. I'm from RPIIT College, Karnal. Today, we are going to learn about semantic processing in artificial intelligence. Semantic, before starting with semantic processing, what is semantic analysis? It refers to the process of understanding the natural language by extracting insightful information such as context, emotions, and sentiments from the unstructured data. And it gives computers and systems ability to understand, interpret, and derive meanings from sentences, paragraphs, reports, registers, files, or any other document of a similar kind. Now let's move on to the semantic processing. It also focuses on the meaning of the words, phrases, and sentences. It interprets the context, it resolves the ambiguities, and extracts the intended meaning of from the text. In semantic processing in AI involves understanding the meaning and context of language to go beyond simple keyword matching. For example, search engines understanding user intent. For example, a lightweight laptop for travel instead of just laptop. The customer service chatbots offering more accurate responses to the complex queries and sentiment, the analysis, identifying emotions or opinions in the text. There are some key aspects where of semantic processing. First one is word sense disambiguation, which it resolves the meaning of the words based on context. Example, bank as a financial institution or riverbank. And semantic roles, it identifies roles such as agent, action, and object in a sentence. Contextual meaning, which considers the surrounding context to derive the correct meaning of a phrase or a sentence. The fourth one is semantic relationships, identifies the relationship like synonymy, antonymy, hyponymy, or meronymy between the words. Examples, where the sentences the bank is crowded. Semantic processing identifies whether bank refers to the institutional financial institution or a river bank based on the context. Handling ambiguity, which means, like, for example, visiting relatives can be annoying. Semantic processing determines whether relatives are visiting you or you are visiting them. So it clears in that semantic processing. Applications in AI, this is the separate one we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you so much for your